Hi everyone, my name is Abdul Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to me on YouTube. So in this video we are gonna talk about how to create landing page for student dashboard with HTML and CSS. But in the previous video we have made the part 1, convert our manual design into digital. So in this second part we are gonna talk about to convert our digital design into HTML and CSS. But before we are going to the tutorial, I'm very grateful if you want to click the subscribe button and share this video to everyone. Thank you so much and check this out.
Hey everyone, first of all I want to say sorry for my English is not good, so if the words I use are incorrect, please help me to point out. So today I will continue the previous video how to convert our digital design into HTML and CSS. In this section I use Visual Studio Code as my text editor. Maybe you can use another text editor you want. So in the previous section we have made digital design like this. In our landing page I want to use SVG background, so I need to export this background as SVG. So to export the background we need to hide all the component, so we need to export to ellipse. We bring out the ellipse and hide the other, and then we select, and then we go to the file and export, and then select SVG. We choose the directories and then I name it and then save. So when we go to the directories and open the SVG, it will be open on the browser and will be like this. The next step we need to open the text editor. In here I use Visual Studio Code and I need to create the directories. In here I open folder and then I choose the directories. I save on the XAMPP htdoc and then I create folder on here. I name it UNES student landing page maybe, and I select folder and the folder will be open. In this folder no file, so we need to create one file, index.html, and I need to create two folder. Maybe I name it CSS and one folder again. One folder and I name it by maybe image. On the index.html we write our HTML code in here. So let's try to code. Yeah, so we will write our code on the body and I give the title UNES student dashboard. So first I want to get nav, so I give the comment on here, navigation and nav, and then I create one div. I give name, I give class logo. So our logo I put on here logo and img source. So we need to paste our logo on the directories, copy, and I go to the XAMPP htdoc and then UNES landing page img, and I create new folder SVG. And I paste in here. Copy and paste. So as we can see in the SVG directories we have 3 SVG file. So on the source in here img SVG and then logo horizontal.svg. So the next I want to create nav item, so I create div on here and I create class. I name it by nav item left. So when we see on the design, this is left nav and this is right nav. So on the nav item left, I create an order list. In here I name schedule. I just need to copy, paste 4 times. Schedule my library. And then my honest. I need one more. Okay. And the next step, we need to create nav item right. So I create div on here. I give name class nav item right. So we also need to create an order list like the before. So when we open this file on browser, we can see like this. This is our nav and this is our logo. So the next step, I want to create this section, maybe this welcome. Maybe I think like 2 column. This is first column and this is second column. So we need to create div. I give class row and I create left column. I give name called left, and the left column we need to put text. This is h1 and this is paragraph. So I create h1 and then welcome back. So I need to paragraph. I lorem xt like this. So the next we want to create right column div. I create class called right and then I emg source emg as SVG. Okay, next step we need to create CSS file. So we select CSS folder and create new file, mine.css, and then we need to import our CSS on here. So we need to link and then href we need to css slash mine.css and we need to type text slash css. Okay, on the css file I'm sorry I set height 100%. margin 0, and then font family, we need to use font Opensense. So we need to import Opensense from Google Fonts. We can import from fonts.google.com. So we select Opensense. In here, choose select, and then in here copy and paste on the index.html. Okay, on the font family, I use sans serif. This is the Opensense, and the next step, we need to set the body, background URL, in here I use SVG, and then no repeat, like here. So background size I set to cover, and the next we set the A element, text decoration noun, to make no underline. Text decoration we set to noun, and then font white set to bold, and the color I set to 3333, and I set H1 and then P, color to same, so I set the padding on the nav 40 pixel, and then we set the logo, and maybe we resize the logo, maybe a logo, and logo AEMG. We set white to and I set float to left, like this. No, navigation, so the next we want to set the nav left, list type we set to none, float left like this, and then like this. I copy it and like float left, float left. Margin I set to 0. And then we just need to copy and change this to right, and change the float to right like this. So as we can see like this, and we need to So the next we want to create maybe like hover effect like this. So in here I create background color and then set the hover. When the cursor on the nav, we want to give the effect change to blue. So on the background color, when hover, I set color to 1 CF. And I set the background to transparent. Yes, like this. And then we set color to white. And we want to create shadow like this, so we need to box shadow. We need to add the back box shadow 0.4 pixel. Yes, like this. So the next we want to create hover effect on the right on the login button. When cursor on here, we just need to copy from the left nav. So we change the color into white and this color into blue. So let's try just like this. So work, I'm sorry, in it. And then we want to set call left, maybe left column, plot left, I set my screen top to 50 pixel. And then I'm sorry, call left and then call right. Float to right. With 60%. And then we set to call right MG. Set width to 750. And set row to margin left. $50 and then margin right. And margin top. $80. And then row after. Display as table. Okay, let us see on the browser. Yeah, like this. So we have done to implement the SVG as the background. I think enough. If you have any question or comment, you can write it down on the comment field, and don't forget to share. Okay, thank you so much and see you again on the next video.